Hi, I'm Sudhir. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And before we start, I would like to say that we are now 100 members family in YouTube and I would like to thank each and everyone who have supported me until now. Thank you so much guys. In this video, I'll be sharing you all those tips that how to clean your helmet in a proper way. And trust me guys, this is the best, cheapest and this is one of the most cleanest way that you can clean your helmet. So now I will keep this camera in a tripod and I will show it in a B-roll manner so that it would be not that much tough to handle camera as well as wash my means clean my helmet. To do this, all you need is a dirty helmet and a baby shampoo, a Dettol hand wash and a nice soft cloth and a typical Indian style bucket with a warm water. Firstly, remove your visor. Next, remove all kind of electronics that you have inside your helmet. Now remove the cheek pads, chin pads and the interior shell of your helmet. Now inside this warm water add a little amount of baby shampoo, then stir it well. Once this is done, now you can soak all your inner pads into this water and now you can clean them in a gentle way. Now squeeze whatever the liquid which is there inside this foam. Similarly do this for the other parts as well. So now you can see the amount of dirt or muck which came inside this just two pads. So this is the inner shell, so I'm just cleaning off. Give just a nice simple massage kind of with your fingers. Don't apply any hard pressure or something, especially the stitches part. Once everything is done, squeeze it, keep it aside for a while. Now see the total amount of dirt you can see which has been created. So now I have taken a little amount of shampoo to my hands and then I have applied to these straps and cleaned it with my hands. Similarly, I have done it for the outer case as well. And those air inlets and outlets I have cleared with a toothbrush. So now I have applied the Dettol hand wash to this visor and I'm cleaning with it. While wiping this visor, keep in mind that you should only wipe from one direction, either from left to right or from right to left. So now you can see the inner shell which is like typically created a solid state of my sweat into a salt. For this I have just applied a little amount of shampoo to the cloth and I'm just wiping off with my hands. So once everything is done, all the pads you can just wash it on with the running water. If you have a hair dryer you can use it or else you can keep them on sunlight for an 1 hour or 2 hours max.